Hey champion, welcome back to your Maths Mastery series, where we break down complex concepts and turn them into simple, practical shortcuts you will remember for life. In today's video, you will learn how to crack divisibility by 4 and 8, not by long division, but by using quick tricks that work in less than 5 seconds. These rules are super important for SSC, bank, railways, and other government exams. So stay with me for the next 10 minutes. Let's get started. Let's start with the definition of divisibility by 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the last two digits is divisible by 4. Here, remember last two digits. Which of the following numbers is divisible by 4? Option 1, 1, 5, 2, 3. Work on the last two digits. 23, 4, 5 are 20, 4, 6 are 24, which is not divisible by 4. Option 2, 1, 7, 3, 8. 4, 9 are 36, 4, 10 are 40, not divisible by 4. Option 3, that is 2, 4, 8, 4. Last two digits is 84. 4 2 are 8, 4 1 is 4, which is divisible by 4. Therefore, the right answer is option 3. Can you understand? Let's solve the next question. Which number is not divisible by 4? Option 1, last two digits is 0 0. Remember, 0 is divisible by any number. When 0 is divided by any number except 0, the answer is always 0. Divisible. Option 2, last two digits is 44, which is divisible by 4. Option 3, last two digits is 12, 3 4 12, which is divisible by 4. Option 4, last two digits is 83. When 83 is divided by 4, 4 2 are 8, 0 0, remainder is 3. Therefore, the right answer is option 4. Question number 3. Find the smallest number that needs to be added to 207 to make it divisible by 4. Option 1, 207 plus 1 is 208. 08 is divisible by 4. Therefore, the right answer is option 1. Let's solve the next question. Do you enjoy? All right. Which of the following numbers is divisible by 4? Option 1. Last two digits is 13. Not divisible by 4. Option 2. Last two digits is 56. 56. Let's divide by 4. 4. 1 is 4. We have 1 6. 4 4 16, which is divisible by 4. Therefore, the right answer is option 2. Can you understand? All right, let's solve question number 5. The number 245 blank is divisible by 4. What digit can replace the blank? Option 1, 0. When we replace the blank by 0, we have last two digits 5 0, which is not divisible by 4. Option 2, replace blank by 1. We have 5 1, not divisible by 4. Option 3, 5, replace blank by 2. 5 2. Let's divide 5 2. 4 1 is 4. We have 1 2. 4 3 are 12, which is divisible by 4. Therefore, the right answer is option 3. You want to solve more? All right, let's solve the next question. Which smallest three-digit number is divisible by 4? Last two digit, option 1, 0, 0. That's the answer. 0, 1 is not divisible by 4. 0, 3 is not divisible by 4. 0, 2 is not divisible by 4. The right answer is option 1. Now, let's move to divisibility by 8. A number is divisible by 8 if the last three digits of the given number is divisible by 8. Remember, last three digits, okay? Last three digits. In divisibility by 4, we have last two digits. Here, we'll work on last three digits, but we'll further modify, okay? Do you want me to share the secret? All right, let me share it. When the hundreds place is even, check whether the last two digits is divisible by 8 or not. If it is divisible by 8, then the number is divisible by 8. If the hundreds place is odd, from the last two digits, subtract 4 from it and check divisibility by 8. Okay, let's learn more with some questions. Okay, which of the following number is divisible by 8? Option 1, 1, 8, 4, 2. 2 is units place, 4 is tens place, 8 is hundreds place, 1 is 1000 place. We have to work on hundreds place. Your hundreds place is even. Check whether the last two digits is divisible by 8. 42 is not divisible by 8. 8 5 are 40, 8 6 are 48. 1 is not the right answer. Option 2, 1, 2, 0, 6. Hundreds place is even. And last two digits is not divisible by 8. This is not the right answer. Option 3, 1, 4, 0, 6. Hundreds place is even. And the last two digits here is not divisible by 8. Therefore, 3 is not the right answer. Option 4, 1, 6, 2, 4. Hundreds place is 6 even. And the last two digits here is divisible by 8. 24 is 8. 8 3 are 8 3 24, which is divisible by 8. Therefore, the right answer is option 4. Can you understand? Let's solve the next question. Question number 2. Find the smallest number which must be added to 8437 to make it divisible by 8. Here, hundreds place is 4. Therefore, option 1. Last two digits is 37. 37 plus 3 is 40, which is divisible by 8. 8 5 are 40. Option 1 is the right answer. Can you understand? Do you want me to solve more? All right, let's solve the next question. Question number 3. The number 64832 is divisible by 8. What is that digit in place of 8? 6, 4, 8, 3, 2. The last two digits is divisible by 8. 8 4 are 32. Therefore, A must be even number. Among the given option, only option 3 is even number. Therefore, option 3, 4 is the right answer. Question number 4. Which of the following numbers is not divisible by 8? Option 1, 5, 6, 1, 6. Hundreds place is even. 16 is divisible by 8. 8 2 are 16. This is divisible by 8. Option 2, 1, 4, 3, 2. Hundreds place is even. And the last two digits is divisible by 8. 8 4 32. This is divisible by 8. Option 3, 2, 7, 4, 4. Hundreds place is odd. 44 minus 4 is 40, which is divisible by 8. Therefore, this is divisible by 8. Option 4, 1, 3, 5, 6. 100 plus is 3. 56 minus 4 is 52, which is not divisible by 8. Option 4 is the right answer. Question number 5. What should be the least number to be subtracted from 7034 to make it divisible by 8? 7034. Here 100 place is 0. Therefore, the last two digits must be divisible by 8. 34 minus 2 is 30. Option 1. 34 minus 2 is 32. 8 for 32, which is divisible by 8. Therefore, option 1 is the right answer. Question number 6. If the number 17x84 is divisible by 8, then what is the value of x? 17x84. Last two digits, 84 is not divisible by 8. Let's subtract. 84 minus 4 is 80, which is divisible by 8. Therefore, x must be odd number. Among the given option, odd number is only option number 3. 3 is the right answer. Can you understand? All right, let's move to the next question. Question number 7. Which of the following numbers is divisible by 8? Option 1, 8, 1, 3, 2. 100 place is odd. 32 minus 4 is 28, which is not divisible by 8. 8 3 24, 8 4 32, right? It lies between the two numbers. Therefore, this is not divisible by 8. Option 2, 9, 3, 4, 4. 100 plus is odd. Now, 44 minus 4 is 40, which is divisible by 8. Therefore, option 2 is the right answer. Let's solve question number 8. Find the smallest number that can be subtracted from 148109326 so that it becomes divisible by 8. Last three digits is 326. Option 1. 326 minus 4 is 322. Here 100 place is 3, which is odd number. Therefore, subtract 4 from the last two digit number. 22 minus 4 is 18, which is not divisible by 8. Option 2. 326 minus 8 is 318. Since 3 is odd number, subtract 4 from 18. 18 minus 4 is 14, which is not divisible by 8. Therefore, option 2 is not the right answer. Option 3. 326 minus 6 is 320. Since 100 place is odd, subtract 4 from the last two digits. 20 minus 4 is 16, which is divisible by 8. 8 towards 16. Therefore, option 3 is the right answer. Can you understand? All right, let's move ahead. Question number 9. Which number among 98984, 98992, 98998, and 99008 is not divisible by 8? 100 place here is the first one is 9, which is odd. 84 minus 4 is 80, divisible by 8. This is divisible by 8. 100 place here is 9. 92 minus 4, that is 88, which is divisible by 8. The third one, 100 place is 9, which is odd. Last two digits, 98 minus 4 is 94, which is not divisible by 8. Therefore, the right answer is option 1, 98998. That is option 1 is the right answer. Question number 10. Which of the following numbers is not divisible by 8? Option 1, last 3 digit is 3, 4, 4. Hundreds plus is odd. So subtract 4 from the last 2 digits. 44 minus 4 is 40, which is divisible by 8. Divisible by 8. Option number 2, last 3 digit is 5, 4, 4. Hundreds plus is odd. Subtract 4 from the last 2 digits. 44 minus 4 is 40, which is divisible by 8. Option 3, last 3 digit is 4, 9, 7. Hundreds plus is even. Check the last 2 digits is divisible by 8 or not, which is not divisible by 8, right? 97 when divided by 8, 8, 1 is 8. We have 1, 7. 8, 2 are 16, which is not divisible by 8. 16. Remainder is 1. The right answer is option 3 is the right answer. You did amazing job today. Divisibility by 4 and 8 may have looked confusing at first, but now you have got clarity, confidence, and control. If you have struggled with divisibility questions before, I hope this lesson made it 10 times easier for you to solve them fast in exam. Drop your biggest takeaway in the comment box, because when you express, you retain your learning and others learn it too from your comment. Let's build this learning community together. Remember, this isn't just one-way class. It's a movement where learners help learners rise. In the next video, we'll tackle something magical, divisibility by 11. And I promise, the patterns you will discover will blow your mind. Until then, keep showing up, keep solving, keep mastering, because the only path to true mastery is through consistency. I believe in you, and I'll see you in the next video.